Welcome to video 53 in series 3, and in this video I'll show you what you need to do to upgrade to Unity 5.3. Alright, so Unity 5.3 at the time of making this has just come out, and there's a fair bit of code that is obsolete now. It'll still work, but we've got all these warning messages, and well, warning messages aren't very nice, and so the code needs to change. And it's actually a bit of an annoying upgrade, this one, because there's a lot of stuff that, well, a lot of things are affected, and everyone's projects will be affected by this one, by this upgrade. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's start making changes. Okay, so this one's about the particle system. I started with this one first. It's a bit stranger. And this is about turning off the emission. So I actually have to make a new variable. So I'm going to call it particle system dot emission module, and I'm just right here, the name for it, something like this: system is equal to system. So it's going through each of the particle systems and disabling them in this script. That's what it's doing. So dot emission. So now what we have to do is we actually have to, because you can't alter the emission directly, see, you can see there it's a get only, you can only retrieve information. So in order to be able to alter its enabled status, we have to set up a reference to it and then alter the reference instead. So then this system dot enable is equal to false, and that'll work. Okay, so that's one item fixed. Next, we've got to change all these load level stuff. There's also another one, touch input mode. So this one is pretty much, this bit of code is now obsolete, and it's saying that it's already taken care of inside of standalone input module. So I'll just comment it out. Okay, I'll go back, and I think there's another one like that. Let me just increase the size of this. One moment. Okay, and let's have a look here. Another one, yep. Okay, so I'll just comment this one out too. Go back. Now I've got lots of load level stuff. So now application.load level is obsolete. So this is a massive change. There's a new system. It's a scene manager. So everybody using Unity is probably affected who's making any project that has more than one scene. So that's why I was saying this is probably one of the most annoying Unity upgrades of the lot, because, boy, I can imagine lots of people are having to change lots of scripts. So Unity editor.scene management, so we must use that. And I'll just take this out. I'll say scene manager. One moment, scene manager. Oh, oops, I just realized what I was doing. I meant to say Unity engine. So I'm trying to just directly access scene manager. Now I can do that. Dot load scene, and now I can put that in. Alright, so that's it. Yeah, it's about getting used to this new thing where we have to actually well, open up that namespace and then add this stuff here. I don't really like that, actually. I think that this is a bit too fundamental. You commonly want to do stuff with the scene, but anyway, maybe it's more efficient or something in the back end. Dot scene management. Okay, again, comment this out. Scene manager dot load scene, and it's going to be the currently loaded scene. So scene manager dot get active scene dot name. Alright, and that will load, that is equivalent to loading the same scene. And okay, let's get the other ones done. Okay, again, using Unity engine dot scene management. Alright, and then scene manager dot load scene number 1. Okay, alright, so that's done. Next, another one. So this isn't even our script, it's from another asset from one of the standard assets. Okay. Scene manager dot load level async, and it's going to be scene manager dot get active scene dot name. Alright, just comment this out. Alright. Next, what's this one? Okay, another one like that. So again, using Unity engine dot scene management. Okay. Going back down, scene manager dot load scene. No, not that. Load scene, load scene. Scene manager dot get active scene name. Comment this out. Okay, so that looks like that for the warning messages, but we're not done. So if I hit play, then there's going to be an error down there. Okay, so let me just stop playing. It's a really funny, strange one. It makes absolutely no sense when you read it. What it's trying to complain about is the panel instructions, the content size fitter. It's complaining, I don't know what exactly it's saying, but what it really is complaining about is that it doesn't like that vertical is preferred size for some reason. You have to set it to min size to make it quiet. Alright, so let's hit play again, jump in. Alright, so yeah, no problem. Or with the inventory, we'll come to that later, who knows, maybe we might have a problem. Well, let me just look at that anyway right now while I'm at it. Expand that out, content. Yeah, so maybe I'll try min size for that. Anyway, just ahead of time. Okay, alright, fine. Oh, okay, so that works, that does that. So those are the warning messages that I'm aware of. Now there's something really odd going on with the lighting. So if I go to the main menu, and I hit play, and I hit play game, and yeah, the scene lighting is off. And this is a strange one, like, fix it in one version, yeah, then there's some strange error message, some blah blah thing down there. No idea what it's talking about, but it's annoying enough that I'll just turn off auto light baking, just build it, and then just build the light mapping. You can tell that it's some weird kind of Unity bug because our project is way too simple. This project has got nothing in it, just about, and yet we're having obscure errors like that. So it's nothing about what you and I are doing, it's just simply the engine that's being annoying at this point. So okay, if I hit play game, alright, at least lighting is working and it's there, and I'm not getting any strange well, okay, it appeared again anyway. Did get the strange messages, but at least the lighting was there when I transitioned scene. Okay, so that's it for the Unity 5.3 conversion. The main stuff is all done. We've edited the scripts, fixed up some strange UI thing, and lighting may well be a problem for some time until I figure something out, or until it's actually fixed up in Unity itself, and so we don't get pointless messages down there that don't help us. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.